Record keeping is an essential part of the enterprise where you get to fully understand the weight of your animals by putting them in a weighting scale and recording that so that you can have an effective dosage program. As you can see today, we are busy blocking our animals against our deadly enemy called hot water. So we're busy injecting some medication that can assist the immune system of the animal to deal with this enemy of ours. So we capture it and put it in the scale. When you put it in the scale, we're trying to understand its weight so that the weight we can utilize it to determine the amount of medication we can pull from there. As you can see there with the white book is our record keeper, our management writing down the weight of that animal. The two guys are just assisting. Then now is getting closer, one of them, to inject the animal based on its weight, and now they are checking their age, looking at the teeth. Now they know how old, and then they inject. That's the basics of record keeping and blocking against the heart water disease and many others. Thank you.